Hey guys, and what is up? So today we're going to be doing a fun unboxing. So what is in here is pretty cool. I am so excited. I already know what it is, but I wanted to do an unboxing with you all so y'all can check it out and know, just be able to see all these products because they're truly amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing now, and then I can show you all like more detailed flip throughs of any sticker books that y'all may want to see. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let's take a look. So obviously we got bubble wrap. All the bubble wrap. And look, you guys, how exciting. It's the new Villains collection. So let me go ahead and take this out so I can show you all what we have here. So I think the planners we can do in here, and then I can show you all the sticker books more detailed in like another video. But this is the mini planner with Ursula on the front. How pretty. Oh my gosh, like look at those colors. It's gorgeous. I love that sketch look. I think it looks so cool. Let me zoom this in so y'all can actually see a little bit better. Wow, so beautiful. And this is a dashboard layout. Ooh, how pretty. You guys. These colors are just so nice and vibrant. I don't know if y'all can, let me zoom in. This is the mini planner, so it like I can have the camera zoomed in a lot more. So this is the year at a glance. Ooh, so pretty. Wow, these colors are just absolutely gorgeous. I guess it got a little bent in the shipping process, but it looks so good. Big plans and evil ideas. How awesome. I think this may be my 2022 mini planner. I just love how simple. There's no color here. These are colored, if you can see, but it's still so minimal that it'd be so easy to cover up if you so chose to. And it has just like a couple of specks of like paint color kind of on the center. So that's what that looks like. And we have February. Look at how beautiful and bold these colors are. It's just gorgeous. And then it's the exact same, so we can go ahead and just skip to the dividers. How freaking gorgeous. The seam. Wow. Ooh, this is so pretty. And I believe, I'll just show y'all in a little bit, but you'll see here in a sec. I just love this sketch look. Like, isn't that cool? I think that looks so awesome. We got June, July, August, Cruella. It's one of my favorite villains. September, October, November, and December. And then that's what the note section looks like. And it's really nice that it's like this minimal, just like striped outside of it. So that is really pretty. And then let's take a look at the classic size planner. Ooh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, this is gonna throw me in for a loop. How am I supposed to choose what planners to... I'm gonna have to add more planners just because. Well, you know what? I always say that, and realistically, like you can always, if you're having... I always like to switch out my covers. So I think that's what I'm gonna have to do with this. Please let the sticky part come off. No. I hate when the sticky part doesn't come off all the way. Oh, darn. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get, and then I can remove the rest with nail polish remover. But look at these colors. Wow, I'm truly obsessed. I love this. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, let's go ahead and flip through this. My scissors are dirty from when I opened the package. Okay, so I think, yeah, it's the same. I'm just not sure if the dividers are the same, but let's still flip through it. This is a vertical planner, right? Yes. So this is a vertical planner. Let's see if the dividers are the same. Okay, let's go ahead and flip through it all. Just zoom out a little bit. It's just so beautiful. Okay, so you have that. So I think it's, yeah, the same as the mini. Okay, so you have that. And it's the same as the mini. Yeah, I think it's going to be literally exactly the same. The only thing that changes is the layout. So you'll just have a different layout. And then this, instead of it being at the bottom, it's going to be at the top here. So that's really cute. Oh, look how like simple and minimal it is, but still has like that little touch. I love that. Okay, so the weeks look all the same. Have February. I'm assuming, yeah, and then you have that little detail right there on each month. Yeah, the dividers are exactly the same, but this is so nice. I love it. April. May. Just the artwork is just amazing. June. Oh, I love this divider. I was looking through the months so we can take a look at this, because it looks like it just switches out, because this doesn't match. Like, it's not Corella. Looks like it's just kind of the same. Yeah. Okay, and then we got August. I wish this would have matched like the whoever the villain was at the front. Unless that's so okay. This, who had it? I think my dividers are messed up. Cause see, August, and then this matches. So August, and that doesn't match. What do we have for September over here? Okay, so I think it was just that divider, or maybe the first couple of them. I don't know. That's something I can like look up later on. I don't care. It doesn't really bug me. It's still nice. Yeah, that matches. October. November. And see, this changes right here. There's that. And then December. It does look like it'll be the same. So that is really nice. I love this planner. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. But I hope you are loving what you're seeing, because it's just amazing. And then the back is just the same, but with like the sketch, like without the foil. And I think the back of this one, yeah, it's the same without the foil. Cool. So then we have the happy notes in the big size. And I think you can see my tripod, and I'm sorry. Okay, so that's what this looks like. Let me remove all of these. Oh, the sticky part got stuck again. Don't I just love it when that happens? It kind of came off, not too bad. Okay, so this is just a big Happy Notes, and it's in dotted lined paper. I have to sneeze. Oh my gosh. Okay. How freaking gorgeous. I love it. And somebody in Squad did point out that this reminds them of like the princess ones that they came out where it was also 3 of them. So this is what this looks like. So you have Cruella on the front. It's pretty. It has this really pretty color here on the end. So you have the same. This is really pretty. I've never used like a big planner or a big notebook that this is just, it feels so big. And then we got the same. So that is the notebook and the planners. And the back just looks the same, but without the foil. And then we have a classic size sticker book and a, wait, I think it's supposed to be, this is the mini. It doesn't say. Oh yeah, it does say, it's right here. Mini, and then this is the regular size. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a flip through of all of these stickers. I'm so excited. So I got the mini and the classic. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at what we have here. So the right side is the mini, the left side is the regular sized. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flip them next to each other so you can have a better look and be able to tell the differences. So that is really cool that these are actually, like, these are a lot smaller. I really love the colors in these. Nice. So these are a lot smaller. You get more of Maleficent on this side. That foil is just amazing. I hope y'all can actually see that with my light on. Okay, you get, I guess you get a second sheet. Now, I don't know if that was a mistake or if I just got lucky, because sometimes that happens and maybe I just got lucky. So there's that. So then this is like this sheet. I think that other sheet might have been by mistake. So if you get the mini, I'm not sure if you'll get that. Or maybe you will, because I think it's supposed to be 4. Yeah, I think it may just be like out of order. Because see? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so there's that. And then you get these. So pretty, feeling on fire today. That's cool. Making sure I'm not skipping any sheets. I just love this foil. It's gonna be so difficult to photograph, but this is so cool. Okay, so they just switched it out, it looks like. Yeah, see, you get it flip-flopped. Flippity-floppity a little bit, see? But it's the same thing, you guys. Nice. I'm assuming they did the same thing with this. No, these are just a small version of this. And then you get more of some of the stickers. So that is cool. Let me move this out of the way. This is for my scissors. That's really interesting that you get 2 foil, almost like 3, depending on the of which one it is. You get like 3 sheets of foiled ones. I hope I said that right. I can't even understand myself right now. But how nice is that? Ooh, these are awesome. So you definitely get more in the mini. So you got the third foiled one. This is gonna be so difficult to photograph. Did I get, oh no, is it back here? I think I've been bamboozled. It's okay. It's not like I don't have enough. So I think it just missed this sheet. But then you have that. I'm assuming, check out the other squad members flip throughs, because I'm assuming it should have, the classic size should have a sheet like this, like it does on every single Evil Queen. So yeah. Ooh, I love that one. It's hard to do while this is like getting full and I have my little vase back there, so let me move that. But I hope y'all can see this okay. How awesome. Fabulous. It's so interesting that you get so many foiled ones. These are so cool. Ooh, this is so nice. I love the witch. You can even use this for like Halloween. Okay, then I'm struggling here. Canceled. Sorry, just thinking about like hashtag canceled. Temper, Queen of Hearts. Awesome. So those are the sticker books. I think these are so cool. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.